You have a dream, you keep forgetting to focus and you keep forgetting how to get there. Paano mo i-remind ang sarili mo? Puro ito sa akin ng isang psychologist and it works for me. I hope it works for you. Sabi niya, get something, a thing, a small thing, a big thing, whatever it is na pwede mong i-carry with you to remind you na kapag nakita mo yun, ay oo nga pala, I need to focus because ganito ang dream ko. My small things to remind me is, one of them is a necklace. I got one. Nakasulat dyan, resilient. I know it's very small. I'll take a photo for you. Mura lang yan. Tapos, ito, pinagawa ko to sa friend ko. She has a small business sa TikTok. It says resilient as well. And I like this. I carry this a lot with me now. And then, this is, this is just an addition. Lalagyan ito ng chapstick. Minsan kasi parang napanghihinaan ka ng loob. Parang ano ba to? Bakit stress na stress ako? Why am I doing this? And then all of a sudden, titingin ka sa salamin, you see your necklace. Or all of a sudden, titingin ka sa bag mo, you see your keychain. It says resilient. Oo nga pala, I need to be resilient. I need to do this dahil may marami pa akong pangarap na kailangan kong maging resilient. Tanong ko sa'yo, what do you do to remind you of the things that you would like to achieve? Comment ka, kwentuhan tayo.